Welcome back. Continuing the news. More calls for improvements to be made to the Princess Margaret Hospital in St. Thomas. For the second time in weeks, citizens took their frustration about the quality of service to the streets. Hal Shaneberg reports.
We need better healthcare at Princess Margaret Hospital. We need better healthcare at Princess Margaret Hospital. We need better healthcare at Princess Margaret Hospital.
This was the chant outside the old courthouse in Morant Bay, St. Thomas recently. Frustrated residents took to the street, demanding better management and improved healthcare services at the Princess Margaret Hospital.
We need better healthcare, cared for the elderly, cared for sick people. Less care taking of them out there because they don't have enough equipment that they need to help them. And the staff do not care. They're having attitude.
And the demonstrators, some of whom have had personal experiences with what they described as the hospital's shortcomings, did not withhold their grouses.
They killed my child's grandmother out there. The minute that the lady that go into the hospital and the ward, that she did reach on the ward at the emergency part, the doctor was like, "Oh, your grandmother looks so hot. She not gonna make it. She not gonna this." And when they did the same night that when she died, they called us in. She passed. That's all the doctor said to us, and that is not the way to treat a person.
I don't want to call her name, but her medical report, her test report was mixed up in another docket. Hence, they diagnosed her that she has kidney failure. They would have started the treatment if the patient didn't ask for another report, ask a doctor to read her report. That's the time they found out that the test that was in her docket, it was mixed up and it wasn't hers. So these are some of the things that we are talking about.
They are now calling for the government to intervene.
We need your hand to holiness to interview now. We need equipment and everything. We need help. We can't take it no more. This is suffering. So if you're sick now, it's better you stay at your home than to go to Princess Margaret Hospital.
When contacted, Chairman of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Errol Green, said he was unable to comment because he's overseas. However, speaking at last month's Municipal Corporation meeting, Regional Medical Officer of Health for St. Thomas, Dr. Diane Jackson, said there was a critical shortage of nurses at Princess Margaret Hospital, which is impacting service delivery. The hospital is also facing a shortage of ambulances. Hal Shaneberg, TVJ News.